you cannot go to Bali without visiting a waterfall, and we're going to a spot near the center of Ubud. We just park it down there. You can come like by motorbike, car or something. You have a place to park. Then following a path to go to the waterfall. One of the attractions who will not break your bank and will not kill your budget, it's simply the Tegenungan waterfall. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but still like 15,000 for the access, and you can like walk all around, have like this great background, and you can also like take some souvenir picture and all. Like you have a market also to buy some souvenir. Nice to check, guys. The walk will not take you more than an hour, and to reach from the center of Ubud here it's like 10 minutes on motorbike. Really quick and really nice view all around, and you have like many spots like this one where you can just walk and take like this great view, guys. Yeah, the way down is much easier than the way up, guys. Like you have 165 steps to 165 steps to go up, and going down you do not really count how many you have. Good exercise. It's lunchtime and yeah, I'm sweating like a pig. It's hot, and got some banana, a lot of banana actually, not some, and an iced tea. Yeah, I need something sweet to keep on, and if the banana are enough, all those bananas for like 15,000. So yeah, that's a good deal. And stop for the lunch break. You can find like many of those resting area, and you can like just park and have some food, just rest, take a breath in the middle of the rice field, the nature, and feel good.